Salutations. In this video we're going to go over the payables module in HIA and a couple of the common features and terminology that's in it. So under payables we can add a new bill, look at vendor locations, but the first thing and the most important thing we're going to do is look at this transactions, bills, and adjustments. As we can see, there's a lot of information available. To make this more digestible, we'll go over here to the file cabinet. And this is everything that's displayed, so we can click on these and remove them. Or if we see something over on this left that we'd really like to see, we can add it in. These can also be reordered any way you'd like to make it more customizable for you and easier to read. So once we have the format the way we like it to make it easier to read, we can go over the statuses. So open in HIA means that it has been posted to the system and it is ready to be paid. Closed means that it has either been paid or it's been voided. And there are a couple other statuses that are commonly going to be used, and that's on hold. It means that you're still working on the invoice, but it hasn't been posted to the system. Balanced means that you're very close to finishing the invoice, everything matches up, you're just not quite ready to post it. So then we're going to come over here to the types. There are 4 types, 3 of them you're going to use very commonly. Bill is just a regular invoice. This debit adjustment you see is a credit invoice. You'll see it as a positive number, but it posts negative to the system. And then this credit adjustment is just an additional expense that is owed. You can see these orange clips over here and then these empty clips. Empty clips means there's no backup uploaded. These orange clips you can click on and then look at the invoice from there. Another really cool thing about the bills and adjustments screen is that all of these can be sorted, they can be filtered if you're just looking for a specific invoice, and you can open the invoice from here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this Hotel Solutions invoice down here that's closed, and we can see the date, when it was posted, the invoice number, the amount, and then the breakdown. And since this was closed, I'm going to go over to applications, and I can see that a check was cut on the 20th and the check number is 404. So that's very useful. And then the other screen in HIA that is very helpful under bills and adjustments is checks and payments. This is going to be all of the checks, ACHs, and debit adjustments that have been applied and posted to the system. Debit adjustments can also be voids, so keep that in mind when you're looking at this screen. And again, you can update the file cabinet to make all of this information easier to see. I hope this overview has been helpful.